make my own vegan cheddar cheese. Hi guys, and welcome to another one of my vlogs. My name is JB Rose. I have been going into the shops and looking at the cheese, the vegan cheese. And I've been looking at the prices of the vegan cheese and I've been going, boy, that is expensive. In our house we make vegan pizza. I sometimes want to make a cheese sandwich and I put cheese on the spaghetti and the pasta and so on and so forth. And whenever I go in the shop to buy the vegan cheese, it is so expensive. I thought, let me look and see what are the ingredients. What came to mind was a song by Bob Marley. Don't let them fool ya. I've made one earlier and I'm going to make it again now to show you how to make your own vegan cheddar cheese. It is easy. There's a few things you might need that you might not have in the cupboard. Tahini, which is sesame paste, nutritional yeast, and a thing called Agar Agar powder. That's what solidifies it. Cashew nuts, coconut oil, that sort of stuff you might have in your cupboard. To my liquidizer, 150 grams of cashew nuts. Then I'm going to pour 80 mils of water, 5 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And now we're going to pour a 1/4 cup of tahini, which is sesame paste, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So it should be a tablespoon of tomato paste, but I don't have any tomato paste, so I'm going to do tomato sauce. Now we're going to add some red pepper, de-seeded red peppers, to our mixture. The red pepper gives it the colour, and then a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, then a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and then a teaspoon of garlic powder. So as you can see, it's filling up so nicely. So we've got a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, a tablespoon of djon mustard, and actually it's 2 teaspoons of onion powder. Oh, can't get it out. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt. You know, I'm not a big salt person, but this one, a little bit of salt. Now, where is my salt? So I use Himalayan sea salt. Just a little recap. All the ingredients are in here. And then guess what? You just zhuzh it up. To my pot, I have 240 mils of water. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my Agar Agar powder. Mix it in and boil it for 1 minute. Here's our Agar Agar powder. And now I'm just going to keep mixing it. You've got to keep mixing it and let it boil. This is what's going to solidify our cheese. So guys, I've just greased a normal breakfast bowl with butter. And now I'm going to put my Agar Agar mixture in with my cheese sauce. I'm going to zhuzh it again. And we're nearly home and dry. It's all done. You know what? Oh, can't open it. Oh yeah, there it is. Now you have to be very quick with this mixture, because what's going to happen is the Agar Agar is going to start to solidify quite quickly. It's going to cool. As you can see, that's our mixture. Starting to get hard. Just smooth it down. Then put your cheese in the fridge overnight. And guys, as you can see, here's one I made earlier. Oh! As you can see, this is so nice. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make myself a cheese and pickle salad sandwich. Guys, give this a try. I'm gonna mess up my lipstick, but here we go. It's really delicious, guys. You can grate this cheese and put it on your pasta, your pizza, and everything as well. Let's make it into a sandwich. So hi guys, it's the next day and I have made a cheese salad. Today I've just been recording and rehearsing with Lizzie Emma from Heart and Soul. We'll be working together in the next few months, so you'll be seeing some stuff out there in a minute with me and Lizzie. And now I'm having my lunch. If you like my recipe, please subscribe, please like and please share. See you next Sunday.